Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix an error occurred during image generation in Photoshop. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So once you are going to generate image, you are using image generation in Photoshop. So you are facing an error. So how you can fix that? You simply need to uninstall the current version of Photoshop and go on to the Adobe website, and you need to reinstall the new version of Adobe Photoshop from the Adobe website, and hopefully your issue will be resolved. You can get free trial as well, in which you can get the Photoshop new version, or you can get the subscription as well from here for the individual use for the Photoshop. So here you can see that. So this is the process by which you can fix an error occurred during image generation in Photoshop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.